Men, we don't talk to women. We don't sit. We become angry. We become violent. We treat them with disrespect because we're unhappy, because we're not in purpose, because they're doing things that we supposed to be doing, because they're in a role, quote unquote, that we supposed to be in, a leadership role, leading the family. They're leading the family. They're going to work. They're buying the houses. They're buying the cars, and we're confused. And because we can't do it, we get mad at them, and we wonder why they change. That becomes a unnatural relationship. That becomes an unhealthy relationship with women. See, we at a crossroads. We're not just a critical crossroads. Where do we go from here? And where we go from here will have a serious effect on society, or the course of society as a whole, or the course of our relationship with women, or the course of our relationship with our family, or the course of our relationship with people. See, the crisis of purpose, it's a crisis of purpose because we don't know our purpose. Not understanding purpose will continue to escalate the uncertainty and the defensive state of mind that we have. We're always defending. We're trying to defend ourselves because we're making bad decisions, because we're doing this, because we're not fulfilling this quote unquote role that society says we're supposed to be, and not realizing the only way I can do what I do is go back to the manufacturer who created us. We're trying to get solutions from the creation instead of the creator. The only answer, the only person that can tell me why I was created, the only person that can tell me my purpose is the person who created us. And we continually go to create the creation to tell us how we're supposed to live, man. What roles we're supposed to be. And these things don't work for us. We will continue to remain frustrated. We will live a level of life far below our potential. And society will keep going downhill. So I ask this question: what should men do? What should we do, men?